After nearly 2 decades of planning, dedication, and vision, a vacant space near Buffalo Bayou has transformed into a masterpiece. This is the Ismaili Center Houston, the first of its kind in the United States, and a new symbol of culture, dialogue, and spiritual beauty. The concept of this center began years ago under the guidance of His Highness the Aga Khan IV, whose vision was to create a space where culture, knowledge, and faith could come together. Today, his son and successor, His Highness Prince Rahim Aga Khan V, brings that dream into reality with this magnificent center, the 7th Ismaili Center in the world. On November 6, 2025, 500 guests and civic leaders gathered for a historic moment: the official dedication of the Ismaili Center Houston. Mayor John Whitmire praised the Ismaili community and called the event a milestone for the entire city. We're here to recognize the Ismaili community's greatness, pause, and realize the historic moment we are witnessing. And then, as the hall filled with silence, His Highness Aga Khan IV arrived, greeted with respect, warmth, and anticipation. Addressing the audience, Aga Khan IV called Houston the friendliest city he had ever visited. He said the city was a natural home for the first Ismaili Center in America, a place where diversity thrives and where people from all backgrounds are welcomed. This building may be called an Ismaili Center, but it is not here for Ismailis only. It is open to all Houstonians, to all who seek knowledge, reflection, and dialogue. Designed by award-winning architect Farshid Musavi, the center covers 150,000 square feet with 9 acres of gardens. Its verandas rest on 49 star-shaped steel columns, a tribute to the 49th Imam, His Highness the Aga Khan IV. Natural light flows through the 5-story atrium, guiding visitors through a journey of reflection. The prayer hall, 12,240 square feet, is adorned with Kufic calligraphy, light-colored wood, and names central to the faith: Allah, Muhammad, and Ali. Only 8% of the building is the prayer hall. The Ismaili Center is not just a sanctuary, it is a cultural institution. It houses a theater, exhibition galleries, banquet halls, conference rooms, classrooms, and even a cafe. Its mission is to serve as a civic space, a place for art, music, learning, and dialogue. For many Ismailis, this is a moment of deep emotion. The passing of Aga Khan IV earlier in the year brought great sorrow, but his vision continues through his son, Prince Shah Rahim Aga Khan. Scholars say the spiritual connection between the Imam and the Jamaat is unique, rooted in guidance, blessing, and unity. The Ismaili Center Houston stands as a gift, not just to the community, but to the entire city, a place where beauty inspires reflection, where heritage meets modernity, and where people of all backgrounds can come together. This center is more than a building. It is a message of peace, dialogue, and the shared humanity that unites us all.